Without question, it is mandatory for e-commerce businesses to stay updated with new trends, customer expectations, and behaviours to strategically transform their e-commerce business. And thanks to new technologies, companies can gather more information and data on the likes of their customers and actually use this data to personalise their shopping experiences. For example, they can recommend products the customer is likely to be interested in and offer them discounts and deals that they basically can't refuse. And this can all be tailored or relevant to that specific customer's purchase history. In addition to this, digital transformation can help e-commerce businesses to increase their operational efficiency by automating processes and using the likes of AI, artificial intelligence. Companies can free up employees' time to focus on more critical tasks within the business. So as a business leader, as a CEO or a manager, we will all know that time is one of our biggest values. So if we can implement new technology solutions, digital solutions through a digital transformation, we can then free up a lot of time for ourselves and focus on growing our business. Where the likes of AI could actually be used to handle customer queries or even to process orders and payments. Digital transformation can also help e-commerce businesses to enter new markets. And thanks to the internet's global reach, companies can now sell their products and services to customers no matter where they are in the world. So let's take a look at the ways digital transformation has transformed companies within the e-commerce market today. And then we will finish off by taking a look at Profile Tree's approach and how we could help you through an e-commerce digital transformation journey. So taking a look at some of the things a digital transformation can offer within the e-commerce market is the likes of personalisation through big data, where e-commerce businesses such as the likes of Amazon have taken the advantage of big data to give their customers highly customised buying experiences. And this is achieved through the likes of machine learning, which is a system that can really dictate algorithms based on past consumer behaviour and provide tailored recommendations for those customers. And we also see this with many other companies as well, moving to the cloud and receiving advantages in this area. However, all these systems such as big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence are all powered by cloud computing as well, which offer customers personalised experiences without any efforts. As well as this, augmented reality can eliminate the constraints of online shopping, where the integration of augmented reality into an e-commerce website and even mobile platform enables shoppers to visualise their favourite products rather than actually going and looking at the stock image and reading its description. And AR is another way to really personalise customer experiences, where many retailers have already adopted this technology to provide a top-class customer experience and earn the brand loyalty of their customers. And getting that feel, I suppose, from a customer perspective in terms of how they can have a real-life solution before they actually get their hands on a product that they are purchasing. And this is something that's going to be growing over time within the e-commerce industry, where businesses who provide an ability to feel and understand what it is to have a product before a customer can receive it are likely to thrive and get ahead of those businesses that aren't adopting these types of technologies. And I suppose we could probably say the same goes for the adoption of alternative payment methods, where the use of credit cards has become a traditional method of payment, and the future of e-commerce will have multiple alternative methods of payment options like blockchain-based payments such as Bitcoin, and option buy now pay later like we're already seeing with some brands at the minute through the likes of Klarna. But these are all different methods and strategies that more and more businesses are going to be using in the future to help them gain a competitive edge. So I think we could say that mobile shopping is only set to grow and increase in terms of sales and how it's going to impact the e-commerce market as well, where the ease of shopping online is allowing consumers to become comfortable shopping within the own comfort of their own homes rather than going into stores and purchasing a product. So this means organisations or we as businesses must ensure that we are continuously evolving with technology and keeping our customers engaged in new ways to ensure that they're coming back and buying from our products and services time and time again. So that was a quick summary of of some of the digital solutions that are out there that is changing and transforming the e-commerce market today. And now I want to talk about how we at ProfileTree could approach a digital transformation for your business if you operate within the e-commerce market, where we understand that digital transformation has had a profound impact on the e-commerce market, and we have looked into how you can transform your business and engage your customers in a new way through the implementation of new technology. And within our digital transformation services, we will focus on how we can enhance customer experience, where digital transformation has significantly improved the overall customer experience in e-commerce through offering personalised recommendations, seamless checkout processes, and responsive customer support. And through looking at these opportunities, we can guide you through promoting higher customer satisfaction and loyalty for your business. We also offer website development, where we can look for new ways to develop your website to ensure high rank in Google and SEO keyword search rankings, where through visually stunning website design, performance-focused web development, simple and effective website hosting and management, and results driven by SEO, we can deliver you effective websites that engage your customers and increase your sales. And whether you're targeting new customers or aiming to build relationships with existing clients or customers, a digital marketing strategy will help you reach your target audience on the new platforms that they love to use, where we will aim to transform your business by setting new goals, tracking your progress, and measuring engagement. And through our social media marketing, digital marketing strategy, digital training, and online advertising, we can give you the tools to grow your brand online. We can also apply a content strategy towards boosting your profile across all social media platforms, where influencing conversations and enhancing your organic search ranking with content that truly engages your target audience. We will help you build relationships with your customers through video marketing that engages and inspires, and educate or show you new opportunities on how to get ahead of the curve by exploring the likes of copywriting or voice search. So these are all different ways that we will look to gain data-driven insights. And we can also look for different ways to gain data-driven insights into the likes of your customer buying behaviour, preferences, and how they actually purchase your products. What sort of patterns do they display? And taking this, we can then approach and tailor your marketing strategies through personalising your product recommendations to increase your sales and your customer satisfaction. It is also predicted that the B2B e-commerce industry is expected to grow by 18.7% from 2021 to 2028. And with digital transformation in the e-commerce world only growing and offering new opportunities, this essentially means that we can't waste time in taking on board new digital solutions to grow our companies. So if you do need any guidance and support in around any type of business transformation or the implementation of new technology towards your business, make sure and reach out to ProfileTree today through the emails found on screen. We could offer you guidance and support in around digital transformation strategy, process improvement, organisational change management, or guide you through the process of becoming more agile in your approach. If you are interested in any of these areas, make sure and reach out to us today, and we would be more than happy to help you with this. That is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a brilliant day.